From the dashboard, click on the cogwheel settings, go to General at the top, head on over to Sleep Mode and Startup, head on over to Sleep Mode over here, and you'll see that you have two options, Energy Saver or Standby. And it's pretty simple what they do. The Energy Saver is just that you're saving energy because your entire system goes completely off. Whereas if you have it on standby, it tells you it consumes more power and it's needed for remote features because you're just that, you're on standby. So you're going to be able to download your games and get your updates and all that while your Xbox is turned off. Make sure that you do not have this feature on over here of when your Xbox is off, turn off the storage. You want to turn that off. Otherwise, you're just not going to get any updates or game downloads or any of that. Okay, so standby to be just that, on standby to download and update things in the background while your Xbox is turned off. And yes, you do need electricity. In other words, I've been asked this before for my Xbox One video. Your Xbox Series S and X console needs to be plugged into the wall. That would help. Otherwise, where is the power coming from? I'm just saying, and these people aren't trolling either. So there you have it. There's also another part for this, but not really, and it has to do with when you go to System and Updates. Make sure that you have Keep My Console Up to Date if you want that on. And if you want, Keep My Games and Apps Up to Date as well. That way, anytime you have your Xbox on standby, you go to bed, a random update comes out, another 100 gig Call of Duty update. Hopefully, having these enabled will allow that game to update without you having to do a goddamn thing. Okay? So there you have it. Hopefully, this was somewhat helpful. And if it was, you can go ahead and give the video a thumbs up, as it does actually help me with the algorithm on YouTube. It's a lot more than just a warm, fuzzy feeling inside I get from seeing 5 likes on a video. And if you didn't like the video, go ahead and give it a thumbs down, and I'll make sure when you put your console to sleep, so do you. Exactly. And if you want to subscribe to the channel, don't ask me what that was. Naturally, that would be great. But if not, thanks for stopping by anyways. Take care, and maybe I'll see some of you in the next video. Bye for now.